Right, so again, not too sure how much of the evolution has taken place. So it constantly changes at the end of the day. So there's times when I think I'm getting it right, and I'm starting to understand the nutrition and starting to understand the recovery and speaking to the right people to get a hold of it. And then suddenly everything changes. And stretching, as I said, 5 years ago, everybody made sure that they stretched after a game, and you had to do it. Now we don't stretch. So things, I'm sure, like in any sort of phase, everything just changes and moves. And what was in vogue, 5 years ago is no longer in vogue, and it might come back into play over time. So again, I'm probably right at the bottom end of that sort of evolution at the end of the day. So the important thing again is, for me as a strength and conditioning sort of coach, is to determine what is fact from fiction at the end of the day. So, cold water immersion, again, how and when. So the idea when we first did it was like, if you're doing cold water immersion, every time they train, do it. So, so if they have a training session, make sure that there is an ice bath available to the player directly post-exercise. Actually, that's not the case anymore.